Too often, a particular client may see themselves with a problem to solve and they're going to throw money at it. In many cases, that's the last thing you should do. They haven't necessarily built the full support within their organization. They haven't built out the journey, as an example, and we can help them with that. So we can help them get started so that they're spending their time and their resources solving the right problem.
We start by listening. Okay, that's the core thing, and getting to know the client and what's important. And it's interesting, I mean, and it comes from years and years in journalism personally, and all of the team here, so many of whom came up through journalism. They're really trained well to listen, to understand, and essentially mine a lot of data, a lot of communication.
And that really starts again with, what is it you're trying to accomplish? What is it going to take to get there? And then can you design solutions that enable that? And so that's really, I think, what we help our clients mostly with is understanding what it is they're actually trying to accomplish.
We really like to sit down with everybody and find out what's working and what's not, and then define where you want your end goal to be.
Helping them understand, hey, I know you want to solve for X, but based on what we've heard from you and different stakeholders within the organization, we really need to start with Y. And let's do that. Let's build alignment. Let's build support within the organization.
When you're making a change, to get buy-in from your staff, your vendors, anyone, you need to involve them in the process. You need to have them understand why you're making this change, why it's the better path. It's difficult, it's disruptive, but to make change that lasts and that is accepted, you need buy-in and you need them involved in the process.
Once you sort of get on that same page, you might be surprised at some of the information that comes internally.
That's consultation. That's coming in, thinking, working with the client around the things they're trying to win. And the more you learn, the more we learn, the more helpful we can be.